Will software engineering stay in demand? If you're watching this video, I assume you're a junior developer because usually these are the types of people that are more worried about keeping a job or the future of a specific type of a job. If there's a senior developer, then he is most likely not worried about this whole issue of whether there will be any more software engineering jobs in the future or not, because his future is already secure. He knows a lot more than a AI automation tool because he has that experience of building software for over a decade. Now, since I'm assuming that you are a junior developer watching this video, then I'm just going to be straight up with you. In my opinion, software engineering jobs for junior developers will get eliminated as time goes by. What a junior developer can do is already being replaced by these AI tools. Even ChatGPT is able to come up with a really bad piece of code if you just prompt it on what you're looking for. So the need of a developer in the future will be decreased by a significant amount. Then what will remain is a senior developer, a senior software engineer who is able to play around with these tools, bosses around these tools in a way instead of bossing around other developers. Put it in plain words, if I were a junior developer, which I am, I wouldn't care about wanting to get hired as a software engineer or a junior developer in any big corporation. Now, if I wanted to work a 9-to-5 job, which I assume you are the type of person who is okay with working a 9-to-5 job, then I would most likely, if I was in your position, I would switch my job description that I'm looking for. I'd switch up my job hunting strategy and I would go more for product engineering roles or product management roles, or any role that would in the future lead me to become a product engineer, rather a senior software engineer, because with these coding tools rapidly increasing in their strength and their ability to code, they're getting better and better with time, and as they get better, the need for a software engineer is going down, right? So if a company can get the same output that a bad software engineer would give them with a tool that costs them significantly less, then why wouldn't they do that? You gotta put yourself in the position of the business owner and think that if I were in their position and there was this tool that I could use that would give me the same output as this engineer who I would have to pay a 6-figure salary, why should I not choose this tool over this engineer when this is going to cost me significantly less? And if I do run into problems, I can hire a better engineer, a senior engineer, and have them fix all these bugs that come my way from this tool. Okay, so let's put it into plain words. I think junior developers will not be needed in the future. Senior developers, maybe. And I say maybe because even they might get eliminated if companies, or if I should say, if these tools become a lot better with age, which they are gonna. Over the course of these next few years, we're gonna see a rapid change in which we see these tools like Cursor and Bolt become really good at what they do, and the need for a developer will not be there anymore. It's the same as calculators. When the calculators came out, I assumed there were people that were saying that I don't need a calculator, I want to use my own brain to get my job done. And if you look at the world today, there's calculators everywhere. There's calculators in your phone, on your laptop, on your iPad, right? So you don't need a mathematician to come and let you know what the solution to 1,000,000 divided by 529 is. A calculator can do that for you. So it's the same with software engineering, you don't need a software engineer, a junior software engineer anymore. Unless if you want to pity them and give them some experience, which companies really don't want to do these days. And we all know that to be true. So yeah, if you are someone that is wanting to still work in the software engineering field, I suggest that you should look more into product management and go somewhere along the lines of being someone in charge of a project rather than being someone who's going to be responsible for the technical details of your project and coding up these minuscule files which add up to the bigger project. So yeah, I highly suggest you look more into product management, product engineering roles instead of software engineering, because that's what's going to be needed in the future. Someone who can be in charge of a software tool, a software product, instead of someone that can get into the technical details of the project and code out something that's needed. Hopefully this video has helped you out in some way, shape, or form. If you're still confused on what I'm trying to say, which you shouldn't be, I think I'm pretty clear with what I just said, drop down your questions in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content ahead. In the meantime, you can watch this video over here in which I talk about whether vibe coding is for you or not. So until next time, peace out.